Step 4 is release, where you learn to go with the flow. In step 4, first we will overturn any negative subconscious thought patterns that do not serve your real self. We will also release any dense, stagnant emotions that are attached to the past adverse experiences. And even with this, and although by step 4 you are well on your way because you have already awakened, acknowledged, and accepted who you are, regardless of what we choose, there are still many choosing a lower level of consciousness. And so life can be challenging and have unexpected, unwelcome situations that may cause us to lose our mental and emotional footing in any given moment. In this step, you will understand and be given the tools on how to flow through life gracefully without being impacted by the choices of others. Step 5 is repair. In step 5, we are going to repair your true and genuine life compass. Your intuition is your fail-proof inner navigation system, one that you lost faith and trust in when others convinced you they knew better than you. In step 5, you will be guided to remember how your intuition speaks to you, what it feels like, and how to trust in it again. So all your decisions are based on the simplicity of, if it feels good, it's a go, and if it feels bad, it's a no, as opposed to the conditioned taught behavior of engaging in the convoluted mental gymnastics or constantly seeking advice outside of ourselves that only result in further confusion that keep you fearful and stuck from moving forward towards your heart's desires or soul's intention. This is one of the most important steps, as the repair of your true life compass is so you know beyond a shadow of doubt this is the voice to pay attention to and follow regarding all of your decisions. Step 6, restore. In this step, you are going to restore your faith to follow your heart, meaning you will gain the courage to dare to be happy. You have a life destiny, and that destiny is to be fulfilled by following and doing only that of which brings you joy. If there is no happiness in what you're doing, you most likely have responsibility cross-wired with obligation, and you are wasting your gift of life and your precious energy pursuing a path of doing things you hate. Obligation is adjusting your life to meet expectations or demands coming from others. Responsibility is the ability to simply respond to self. Being free of others' demands or expectations is a key element to manifesting your dreams, because when you are detached from the opinions of what others deem is right or wrong for you, you get clear on what you truly desire and are empowered to go for it without interference or interruption.